Let's get to the point. If you add 188 pesos, may unlimited Xiaolong Bao ka na sa Lugang Cafe. And it was delicious. Limited time lang ang promo na ito from February 16 to March 31 and Monday to Friday only siya. For now, it's only available sa Lugang Cafe branch sa SM Fairview and you need to avail first of the rice meal promo. So add-on option lang siya. And I will explain the extra details later. And meron din silang chocolate na Xiaolong Bao. And during this visit, I tried a total of 3 items. And may parking advice din ako sa inyo later and suggested ride-hailing app drop-off location. And let's be honest, I was invited by the Lugang team to visit their SM Fairview branch and try their unlimited Xiaolong Bao added option. Ito ang mechanics ng promo, paki-screenshot na lang. Ang most important is, you need to avail muna yung 398 combo meal promo nila. Then you have the option to add 188 pesos for the unlimited Xiaolong Bao. Hindi pwedeng only Xiaolong Bao lang. Also, if group kayo, everyone sa table nyo need to avail the same. And para hindi na kayo mahirapan, nasa ground floor siya ng SM Fairview. The best landmark is the Coffee Bean Mall entrance. Worth noting also, Lugang Cafe was absolutely beautiful and I found their interior design very interesting. And maganda rin ang bathroom. The 3 items I tried were, number 1, the 398 peso rice meal. So may iced tea ka na, may birthday noodles ka pa kahit hindi mo pa birthday. Meron ng soup and may rice. And you get to choose your main dish. Please note, merong a few main dishes na may extra cost. And dahil nahiya ako sa fish sa likod ko, I chose the sweet and sour pork na lang. Pero overall, okay yung rice meal na ito for this price. Number 2, the unlimited Xiaolong Bao, 188 pesos additional to the rice meal. The Xiaolong Bao pieces were soft and delicious overall. And love na love ko talaga ang soup inside it. A great balance of savoriness and merong siyang aromatic na flavor. Number 3, dahil today is a Xiaolong Bao day, trinay ko na rin yung chocolate Xiaolong Bao nila. 288 pesos para sa 5 pieces. Baka mapaso lang kayo sa hot chocolate inside tulad ng pagkapaso natin sa dating life natin. So I suggest butasan nyo muna before you eat para mag-vent out ito emotionally. Then wait for around 30 seconds before eating it. The chocolate inside was a bit sweet for me pero appropriate naman for a dessert. And do expect the dumpling wrapper to have some chewiness kasi closer to a mochi siya. Ask the security na lang kung saan na parking ang malapit sa Coffee Bean. In terms of GrabCar or Angkas or ride-hailing apps, the best drop-off location is NU Fairview. Coffee Bean is a short corridor walk lang from this drop-off. Overall, I found the Xiaolong Bao of Lugang Cafe absolutely delicious and I found their place also beautiful. And mabait and magaling ang staff. Click follow for the next story.